Hi, I'm Jake with Winter Equipment, and today I'm going to be introducing to you the Winter Equipment Vulcan V-Plow system for the Douglas Dynamics line of V-Plows. The Vulcan V-Plow system consists of two A22 cast steel nose pieces, two 5/8 by 6 inch AR 500 steel blades, and two of Winter Equipment's PlowGuard Juniors with curb casting, as well as all of the hardware that you'll need for a quick and easy installation. The removal of the OEM cutting edge is a fairly straightforward process. The only thing you need to pay attention to, make sure you remove the nose piece prior to the cutting edge, as the cutting edge is currently positioned underneath the nose piece. While this is a brand new plow, yours may not be. Once we have this edge removed, the main thing you want to make sure is that your mold board is clean, no rust, scale, or buildup. If you do find that prior to putting on your new cutting edge, make sure you clean it off to ensure that your blade sits flush. Next we'll be installing our 8.5-foot Vulcan V-Plow system onto this MVP3. The installation is as simple as the reverse of the removal process. The cutting edge is being installed first, then your nose pieces, and then your brand new PlowGuard Juniors. All of the 5/8 carriage bolts are to hold the cutting edge on, and we do supply 4 5/8 plow bolts to hold on your PlowGuard Juniors. Now that we have our center edges installed, we've only installed these 3 bolts to start with. This allows us to mount our PlowGuard Jr. on the end, as well as our nose piece in the center. Now that we've got our Vulcan system completely installed, Matt, our lead engineer, is going to explain a little bit more about the engineering that went behind it.
Thanks, Jake. How'd the install go overall?
Smooth, clean, about as expected.
Good, good. Nose pieces line up correctly?
Nose pieces have just a minimal gap in the middle. Shouldn't be any snow getting through there. So I absolutely love these Western V-Plows. What did Winter Equipment do to make it perform even better?
Glad you asked. So the majority of people who run these were seeing extreme wear on either end. So we've had the PlowGuard for ever. So we decided to make a smaller one, and that works on a variety of things, and this being one of them. The nose piece is made out of the same material as bucket teeth are made out of, and we did that because most customers see the majority of their wear here. So we wanted to make sure that the plow was wearing evenly. That'll mean less changeovers, so in the middle of a snowstorm, you'll still be running this instead of having to come back and change over the basic blade. You'll have added wear life. You know, you did it on this concrete when it's nice and dry, but can you imagine if you had to come in from a snowstorm and change and it's soaking wet here?
Yeah, I definitely wouldn't want to be involved in that.
Me neither.